Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to restore your Wix website from the previous version. So before that, Wix offer export website to your computer, but now they only save all the version in their hosting. So let's see how to restore the previous version. So after you log into the Wix, and you need to go to Quick Access, then go to Edit Site. Okay, so it will take a while to load in the editor. Okay, now we see the editor page. So you go to the top menu, the site, and here you have Release Manager. Okay, so click that. You can see the site history. Okay, click that. It will show all the history that you saved for your for your website. You can view it by click that. Don't click again because don't do the double click, because if you double click, it will click the restore option. Okay. But anyway, if you click restore, it will pop up a window that do you want to restore or not. Okay, so doesn't matter if you double click. So you can review and see, oh, that's what you want, and you can click restore to restore to the previous version. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.